Want a taste of the tropics right on your balcony? Imagine stepping out into your own little green haven where the air is fresh and the plants are thriving. It's not just a dream, you can make it a reality by growing your own bitter gourd. Growing your own bitter gourd, also known as Karela, is easier than you think. With just a few pots and some basic gardening tools, you can start your own mini tropical garden. Bitter gourd is a resilient plant that thrives in warm climates, making it perfect for balcony gardening. This vibrant green vegetable, known for its unique bumpy skin and slightly bitter taste, is packed with nutrients and adds a special touch to many dishes. From stir-fries to soups and even smoothies, bitter gourd can be a versatile addition to your culinary repertoire. It's rich in vitamins A and C, iron and antioxidants, making it a healthy choice for your diet. Growing your own Karela means you know exactly what's going into your food. No harmful pesticides or chemicals, just pure, natural goodness. You can use organic compost and natural fertilizers to ensure your plants are healthy and thriving. Plus, organic gardening is better for the environment and promotes biodiversity. Plus, imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own fresh, organic bitter gourd right from your balcony. There's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown vegetables and the pride that comes with knowing you grew them yourself. It's a rewarding experience that connects you to nature and provides a sense of accomplishment. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the steps to successfully grow your own bitter gourd in the comfort of your own home. From selecting the right seeds to planting, watering, and caring for your plants, we've got you covered. You'll learn how to deal with common pests and diseases and how to harvest your bitter gourd at the right time. Get ready to enjoy the delicious rewards of your very own balcony garden. With a little patience and care, you'll soon have a thriving garden full of fresh, organic vegetables. So why wait? Start your gardening journey today and bring a taste of the tropics to your home. Bitter gourd thrives in warm, sunny climates, much like its tropical origins. This unique vegetable, also known as bitter melon, is a staple in many Asian cuisines, and is celebrated for its numerous health benefits. To grow it successfully, replicating its native environment is key. If you live in a place with plenty of sunshine and warm temperatures, your balcony is an ideal spot for growing this unique vegetable. Urban gardeners can take advantage of their sunny balconies to cultivate this nutritious plant. The more sunlight, the better, as bitter gourd plants are sun-loving and thrive in bright conditions. Ideally, temperatures between 75 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, or 24 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius, are perfect for bitter gourd to flourish. These temperatures mimic the tropical climate that bitter gourd plants are accustomed to, ensuring optimal growth and fruit production. They love basking in the sun, so make sure your balcony gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. The more direct sunlight your plants receive, the healthier and more productive they will be. If your balcony doesn't get enough sunlight, consider using reflective surfaces to increase light exposure. If you live in a cooler climate, don't worry. You can still grow bitter gourd by starting your seeds indoors before transplanting them to your balcony once the weather warms up. Use seedling trays and place them in a warm, sunny spot indoors. Once the seedlings are strong enough and the outdoor temperatures are suitable, you can move them to your balcony. Remember, bitter gourd is a climber, so providing a trellis or support structure will allow it to grow vertically and maximize your balcony space. Vertical gardening not only saves space but also helps in better air circulation around the plants, reducing the risk of diseases. With the right conditions, you'll be well on your way to enjoying a bountiful harvest of homegrown bitter gourd. Regular watering, proper fertilization, and pest management are also crucial for a successful harvest. Happy gardening! Now that you understand the ideal climate for your bitter gourd, it's time to delve deeper into creating the perfect home for your plant. The right container and soil mix can make all the difference in ensuring your Karela thrives. Let's start by discussing the container. Choosing the perfect container to house your plant is crucial. The size, material, and even the color of the pot can impact the growth of your bitter gourd. Bitter gourd needs ample space for its roots to grow and spread. Therefore, opt for a large pot or container that's at least 12 inches deep and 18 inches wide. This ensures that the roots have enough room to expand and access nutrients. Good drainage is crucial to prevent root rot, which can be detrimental to your plant. Make sure your chosen container has several drainage holes at the bottom. This allows excess water to escape, keeping the soil from becoming waterlogged. Bitter gourd prefers well-draining soil that's rich in organic matter. The right soil mix can provide the necessary nutrients and support healthy root development. You can easily create your own potting mix by combining equal parts garden soil, compost, and cocoa peat. This blend not only provides the essential nutrients, but also ensures proper drainage and aeration for your bitter gourd. When filling your pot with the prepared potting mix, make sure to leave a couple of inches at the top. This space will allow for easy watering and prevent soil from spilling over. Remember, a happy plant starts with a comfortable home. By choosing the right container and soil mix, you're giving your Karela the best possible start in its new environment. Pay attention to these details and you'll be rewarded with a healthy, thriving bitter gourd plant that produces bountiful harvests. Regular watering is also essential. Ensure the soil remains moist but not waterlogged. Consistent care and attention will help your bitter gourd plant flourish. Finally, place your pot in a sunny spot where the plant can receive at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Sunlight is vital for the growth and fruiting of your bitter gourd. With the right container, soil, and care, you'll soon see your bitter gourd plant grow vigorously and start producing those unique, nutritious fruits. Happy gardening! Now comes the exciting part, planting your bitter gourd seeds. Before you begin, soak the seeds in lukewarm water for about 12 hours. This helps soften the outer shell and encourages faster germination. Once your seeds are ready, fill your chosen container with the well-draining potting mix, leaving about an inch of space from the top. Plant the seeds about an inch deep in the soil, spacing them about 6 to 8 inches apart. After planting, water the soil gently but thoroughly, ensuring it's moist but not waterlogged. Now be patient and wait for the magic to happen. It typically takes about 7 to 10 days for bitter gourd seeds to germinate, and soon you'll see tiny green shoots emerging from the soil. Just like us, plants need the right balance of sunshine and water to thrive, and bitter gourd is no exception. As your Karela plant grows, ensure it receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Watering is crucial, especially during the hot summer months. Check the soil regularly and water your plant whenever the topsoil feels dry to the touch. However, avoid overwatering, as it can lead to root rot and other problems. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply but less frequently, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Remember, consistent care and attention to your plant's needs will reward you with healthy growth and a bountiful harvest. Section 6. Supporting your climbing Karela. Bitter gourd is a natural climber, and providing it with proper support is essential for its growth and productivity. As your plant grows taller, it will need something sturdy to cling to and climb. A trellis, netting, or even a simple bamboo structure can provide the necessary support for your Karela plant. Gently guide the main vine upwards, securing it to the support with soft ties or clips as needed. This not only helps the plant grow vertically, maximizing your balcony space, but also improves air circulation and sunlight exposure, leading to healthier growth and a more abundant yield. Section 7. Recognizing pests and diseases. Like any plant, bitter gourd can sometimes be susceptible to pests and diseases. However, don't worry, early detection and prompt action can easily prevent these issues from becoming major problems. Keep a close eye on your plant for any signs of pests like aphids, spider mites, or powdery mildew. Regularly inspect the leaves, stems, and fruits for any unusual spots, discoloration, or wilting. If you notice any pests, you can try natural remedies like spraying the plant with a mixture of water and neem oil. For diseases, ensure proper air circulation, avoid overwatering, and remove any affected leaves or fruits promptly. Section 8. Harvesting your homegrown bitter gourd. After weeks of patiently nurturing your bitter gourd plant, the moment you've been waiting for has arrived. Harvest time. You'll know your bitter gourds are ready to be picked when they reach about 6 to 8 inches in length and have a vibrant green color. Using a sharp knife or pruning shears, carefully cut the gourds from the vine, leaving a small portion of the stem attached. It's best to harvest in the morning when the fruits are at their peak freshness. After harvesting, store your fresh, homegrown bitter gourds in the refrigerator where they can last for up to a week. Now you can enjoy the fruits and vegetables of your labor in delicious stir-fries, curries, or any other way you like. Section 9. Savoring the fruits and vegetables of your labor. Congratulations! you've successfully navigated the journey of growing your own bitter gourd in your balcony garden. From selecting the right seeds to nurturing your plant and finally harvesting your bounty, you've experienced the joy and satisfaction of gardening firsthand. But the rewards go beyond the delicious meals you'll create with your homegrown Karela. You've also embraced a sustainable lifestyle, reduced your carbon footprint, and connected with nature in a meaningful way. As you savor the unique flavor of your homegrown bitter gourd, remember that you've accomplished something truly special. You've transformed your balcony into a thriving green space and proven that anyone can grow their own food, no matter how small their space may be.